Today we're cooking butter chicken with coconut in a tangine.
Chicken, coconut cream, garlic powder, tandoori, a little bit of chilli of your choice, some cream. Chicken in a bowl, put some milk in, add about 3/4 of a tablespoon chilli powder, mix it, leave it in the fridge for about an hour. Okay, butter spring onions. That's what the chicken looks like after an hour. I'm just going to cook it for a couple of minutes. 10 minutes, transfer to tangine now. Coconut cream, butter, and a bit of milk. Get it to melt down. 2 teaspoons tandoori. 150 ml of cream. Lid on. Cook on low heat, about an hour and a half.